Hello, welcome back, guys. Welcome back, everyone. Sorry for disturbance, sorry for inconvenience. So, yes, we are starting directly from the chapter itself, concept itself. I hope now everything is clear. So, yes, if you want to classify the animals, then you can use this level of organization as one basis for the classification. Level of organization. What type of level of organizations are there? You know that all the animals, they are multicellular. That means all the cells together, either they are loosely packed cells. If they contains only loosely packed cells, and these cells together not function, I mean their function is not common, they are not working in a team, then this type of organization is known as cellular level of organization. This is known as cellular level of organization. If cells together make a tissue, cells together, they make a tissue, and then they will have some tissues, they are performing same function, common functions. There is intercellular substances between the cells to connect them. So cells together form tissue, then this is known as tissue level of organization. Next it is tissue level of organization. And then next to the tissue, all the tissues work in a form of organs. Tissues together form organ, tissues together form organ. Then this type of organization is known as organ level of organization. Tissues together, organ, then organ level of point, guys. Organ level of organization. There is only one organization. There is only one phylum which consists organ level of organization. That is Helminthes, flatworms. Then organs together form organ system. We have organ system type of organization. Organs together, they form organ system. Then this is known as organ system level of organization. So this is the level of organization based on which you can classify organism. Those organism which has cellular type of organism, they are kept in one phylum. Those have tissue level. Then again you can classify accordingly based on the tissue level. Okay. So that is how we can classify, or for the classification, one point we can use, that is level of organization. Okay. Next point you can use, that is which type of digestive system they have. Body is organized to form what? Okay, so which type of digestive system? Digestive system can be of two types. Digestive system, it can be of two types. Digestive system can be of two types. It is complete and incomplete. Okay, complete, that means it is having two openings. Having two openings. One is serving as a mouth and one is anus. Mouth and anus separate, two openings are there. Okay, two openings. Then that type of organism is possessing complete type of digestive system. Incomplete, that means only one opening and one opening, that is only serving as a both anus and mouth. This is known as incomplete digestive system. Then circulatory system. Circulatory can be again of two types, open and closed. If blood is flowing inside the blood vessel, that means blood is enclosed inside the blood vessels, that is known as closed one. So here you can say blood vessels are there. So vessels are there. Vessels are present. Okay, present. And blood is flowing inside the vascular system. Blood is flowing inside the vessels, that is known as closed type of vascular system. If blood is not flowing inside the vascular system, heart and the so blood is pumped out of the heart and the cells and tissue are directly bathed in it. So that means it is pumped out. Blood, it is pumped out of heart without vessels. Then all the organism tissues, they'll be having all of them, all the cells and tissues will bath in it. This is known as open type of circulatory system. The next point, it is about symmetry. So symmetry can be divided into three types. Asymmetrical, that means there is no symmetry actually. Then radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. Here there is no, actually you can't cut into equal half at any plane. You can't cut the organism into two equal halves. Cannot be cut, cannot be divided. Into two halves at any plane. That is known as asymmetrical. Yes, I can see a lot of you have rejoined. Yes. Hello everyone. Sorry for inconvenience. So yes, you can write in the chat section if you can hear my voice clearly now. So I can see your names also. Then radial type of symmetry, that means you can cut into equal half at any planes. The body can be divided into two equal halves at any plane. So at any plane can be cut into two equal halves. So this is known as but there is one condition, axis should pass from the center. That is known as radial type of symmetry. That means, for example, you can cut at this plane, can cut at this plane, like this also, like this also. This should pass from the center. Okay. Then bilateral symmetry, that means you can cut into two equal half at only at vertical plane. Only at vertical plane. Only at one vertical plane. That is known as bilateral symmetry. For example, this type of organism is there, then you can cut into two half. only in this plane. This is known as bilateral symmetry. Okay, now next it is about germ layer. 2 points are clear, guys. Level of organization and symmetry. Any doubt in these 2 points? Next it is germ layer. So embryonic cells are arranged in two embryonic layers. In animals which have cells are arranged in two embryonic layers. In animals at embryonic level, okay? At embryonic, you know that zygote forms the embryo later on. Zygote, it is unicellular. Zygote is unicellular. Then it is divided further to form embryo. And this embryonic state, during this embryonic development, cells arranged in two layers. Cells, they are arranged in two different layers. Two layers. If outer layer, this is outer layer. Okay. Then innermost layer. These two layers are complete. Yes, Niharika? When these two layers are completely formed, outer layer is known as ectoderm. Inner layer, it is known as mesoderm. Inner layer is known as endoderm. Endoderm. Okay, outer one is called ectoderm. Innermost, it is internal, it is known as endoderm. But in between, there are undifferentiated cells are there. In between these two layers, undifferentiated cells are there. Then this is known as mesoglia. This is known as mesoglia. If second layer is not complete, only two layers are completely formed. This condition is known as diploblastic condition. This is called diploblastic. Diploblastic. Yes, Niharika. Yes, Shabana, you're right. Mesoglia, then this is known as diploblastic condition. Only two layers are completely formed. That is outermost and innermost, ectoderm and endoderm. Between second layer is not completely formed. That is scattered in form of, that is loosely packed, undifferentiated cells forming mesoglia. Okay, this is called diploblastic. Now, if outer layer it is also complete, can say outer layer is also completely formed, that is ectoderm is complete. Innermost layer, that is also completely formed, endoderm. In between there is second layer also formed. Second layer is also completely formed. Then this is known as mesoderm is complete. Okay, mesoderm is completely formed. You can see. Yes, this is also completely formed. Second layer. So this is our three layers are completely formed. This is an ectoderm, innermost endoderm, and between one mesoderm. The three layers are completely formed in an organism. Then this is known as triploblastic condition. Is that clear, Niharika? This is called triploblastic condition. Yes, Shabana. Next, we are discussing about Stilon. Next point, it is coelom. Coelom, that means body cavity. It means body cavity. Cavity means empty space. There is space between these two. What is the space that is coelom? Space between what? This is cavity between outer wall, or you can say the body wall. Cavity between the body wall and gut wall. Cavity, for example, this is body wall, outermost body wall, and this is your gut. Okay, so in between completely you can see like this circle, then this is your gut. So this is empty space in between. Okay, so coelom, and this is known as coelom. Okay, if empty space is there, then this is known as body cavity or coelom. This cavity is always lined up by, on both the side it is having mesoderm. So on the both the side it is having mesoderm. So that means here also it is having mesoderm. Here also mesoderm. So between two mesoderm there is cavity. You getting this point? Right, Shabana. So between two mesoderm, cavity or empty space is there. So if this type of condition is there in any type of organism, for example, this is the condition, you can see like this. So for example, this is the condition, like this is, okay, here mesoderm is there in between, drawing mesoderm, okay, another mesoderm, and innermost it is endoderm. So you can see this, between this empty spaces there, this is the cavity. If this type of condition is there, yes, you're right, Shabana. So this type of condition is there, then this is known as, these type of organism, they are known as coelomates. They are known as coelomates. But if between these two things, mesoderm is present in form of patches. Mesoderm is present in form of this type of pouches, like pouches. Okay, it is not completely clear-cut cavity. Then these type of organism, they are known as pseudocoelomate. They do not have pure true cavity, and they are known as pseudocoelomate. And if there are no cavities present in between two mesoderm, gut wall and body wall, then they are known as acoelomates. No cavity, no coelom, all the three layers, they are attached to each other, then these type of organism, they are known as acoelomate. Okay, what is the role of this cavity? Cavity, yes, cavity is acting as a shock absorber. It acts as a shock absorber. We have this body cavity. Okay, all annelids, mollusks, arthropods, and echinodermates, hemichordates, chordates, all of these are having this body cavity. So all of these are coelomates. All of these are coelomates. You can say only Aschelminthus, that is pseudocoelomate, and Platyhelminthes, they are acoelomates. Yes, scattered pouches of Shabana. What? Scattered pouches of mesoderm. So remember that thing in case of pseudocoelom, scattered pouches of mesoderm is there. So that is forming pseudo cavity, false cavity, not true cavity. So that is, these type of organism, they are known as pseudocoelomate. Next we are discussing about segmentation. Segmentation or metamerism. It is also known as metamerism. Each segment is known as segment is called metamer. What is actually segmentation? If body is externally and internally divided into segments, that means whatever you can see from outside, a compartmentation, those compartmentations are internally also present. These type of organisms, they are known as segmented organism. So either complete body is organized, body is segmented, that means you can see repetition in complete body, or either in the one organ or more organ you can see repetition, then this is called segmentation. Are we segmented or not? We are segmented or not? Yes, Shabana and Niharika and those who have joined. Human beings, we are segmented organism or not? Do we have repetition or compartmentation or any of our organ? Do we have repetition? This is why we are, or you can see repetition, or repetition is there, or you can see repetition in any of the organ, then this is called segmentation. Okay, this is known as segmentation. So we are also segmented organism. Next point, it is about notochord. So next point, it is about notochord. Last point, we'll discuss all the phylums tomorrow, next week. So last point, that is notochord. What is notochord? Notochord, it is mesodermally derived. Dorsal hollow, it is dorsal rod-like structure. Okay, mesodermally derived rod-like structure present on dorsal side. Present on dorsal side, dorsal that means upper side, dorsal side. At embryonic stage or it is completely existing throughout the life, that is known as notochord. So if organism possess, any organism has notochord, then they are known as chordates. They are called chordates. If any organism has notochord, then they are known as chordates. If any organism they do not have notochord, then they are known as non-chordates. I hope it is clear now, Niharika. Yes, you are right, Shabana. So we are keeping till this point, but do not go anywhere. We'll be solving few questions. So download our app for great discounts on our courses. So you'll be having free handwritten notes and study material after that, PYQs, free mock test. And this is how you can join the admissions, join the classroom coaching or online coaching. We have three branches. So link is given in the description box. Spark Store link is given in the description box. Online coaching is also going for VA. For that you can use this coupon, that is VAI10. VAI10. That is 10 VAI10. Okay. On daily basis, we have this type of live sessions. Daily basis, we have this type of live sessions. Just a second. Yes, Shabana, that's right. Shabana, that's right. Each segment, they are also known as somite. Segment, they are also known as somite. And in case of plant, if you see the segmentation, then that is known as phytomere. In plant, if you see the segmentation, then it is known as phytomere. Yes, Shabana, notochord is flexible rod-like structure which is mesoid. Okay, so dorsal side, it is present on the dorsal side. So daily basis, we have this type of live sessions. So you can join us right now. Assignments are, we are giving assignments on daily basis, checking that also, and test reports are conducted by Spark. This is our methodology. You can opt for hybrid coaching and online coaching also. Now, first question. Which group of animals belong to the same phylum? Which group of animals they belong to the same phylum? Group of animals belong to same phylum. Come on, come on. Group of organism belong to same phylum. Correct answer is B. Divya, it's B. Prawn, scorpion, and locusta belong to the phylum Arthropoda. This is the largest phylum of the Animalia, and over two-thirds of the name insects, they are part of it. They have joined appendages, so they are known as arthropods. Next question, which of the following are correctly matched with their taxonomic classification? Correctly matched with their taxonomic classification. Yes, 1D is correct answer, Niharika. Next, correctly matched with respect to their taxonomic classification. Come on, quick answers. Divya, Shabana, Niharika. See, classification, that means here they have given the name in the option. For example, spider, scorpion, and millipede and centipede, they belong to insecta or not. Like that, you need to check. So, how they are classified according to their spiny anterior or see or hurricane, see cucumber, they are part of echinodermics or not. Yes, correct answer is 2B. Housefly, butterfly, and CC fly, silverfish all belongs to insecta. Next, one of the respective representative of phylum Arthropoda is representative of phylum Arthropoda. Yes, Niharika, it's right. Second question, 2B is correct. 2B is correct. Next, for third question, Shabana, your answer is for third question or for second one. Write with the question number because it will take fraction of second to flash your answer on your on my screen. I mean, it will take around 10 seconds to flash your answer. Third question, correct answer is A. Representative phylum of the arthropoda is silverfish. 3A, you're right. Next, fourth question, the characteristic of the class Reptilia are. Which one of these is characteristic of class Reptilia? Reptile, rapier, creeping, crawling in nature. Which one is the characteristics of Reptilia? Select your answer quickly. We have 7 minutes left. Come on, correct answer I want here for fourth question. Which is correctly matching with the class Reptilia. Body covered with dry conifer skin, scales over the body are epidermal or they do not have external ears. Covered with moist skin. Freshwater animals with bony endoskeleton. Marine animals with cartilaginous endoskeleton and body covered with a placoid scale. Come on, correct answer is fourth A. The characteristic belong to the class Reptilia, that is in option B, C, D, they are characteristics, not characteristics of Reptilia. So correct answer is fourth A. Next question. Which one of the following groups are of animals reproduce only by sexual means? Only sexual reproduction is visible. Protozoa, Ctenophora, Cnidaria, Porifera. Shabana, question number please. Right with the number, question number D. D किसका आंसर है? फिफ्थ का कि फोर्थ का? Okay, 4B is not correct, Niharika. It's 4A. Body covered with the dry and conified skin. For fifth one, which is the correct answer? Which one is correct answer? Here, Ctenophora, Cnidaria, Porifera, Protozoa. Need to select from the options, Shabana. Correct answer is A, Ctenophora. So if sex are not separated, reproduction takes place only by sexual means. In Ctenophora, Cnidaria, asexual reproduction is there. Medusa from sixth question now. Can you see the sixth question now? So correct answer is 6A. Shark and dogfishes have cylindrical body while skates and rays have flattened body with wing-like pectoral fins. Next question, select the taxon mentioned that represent both marine and freshwater species. So correct answer is taxon which is present habitat for it is fresh and marine both. Then answer is D in members of Ctenophora, Cephalochordata and Echinodermata are exclusively marine, but Cnidarians they are fresh and marine water. Then question number 8. Which one of the following living organism completely lacks cell wall? Cyanobacteria, sea fan, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and blue-green algae, which lack cell wall. Do not possess cell wall. Come on, easy peasy types. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Come on, give answer quickly. 2 minutes left. Shabana, Divya, Niharika, and others who has joined. Come on, quick answer, guys. Easy peasy question. Don't need to think about that. Think lot. Cyanobacteria being a prokaryote, yes, it is having cell wall. Saccharomyces, it is a type of fungi, so it has the cell wall. Blue-green algae, a type of prokaryote only. Yes, sea fan, it's correct answer. All the animals, without any exceptions, all animals lack cell wall. So B, C fan is correct answer. Ninth question, Planaria possesses high capacity of metamorphism, regeneration. Easy peasy again, regeneration. Planaria is a flatworm which possesses high capacity of regeneration. Next, a marine cartilaginous fish that can produce electric current. It is torpedo, which can produce electric current. Okay. Yes, you can join us on Telegram link also, and these are your homework questions. So I'm flashing, see it will be flashed on your video. So you can check the video again and have select the answers and write in form of comment section. Second question, radial symmetry occurs in which? Third question, in coelomates, the problem of the diffusion of food from gut to the tissue is solved by what? Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, guys, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And liking is very important, guys, so don't forget to press the thumb icon also. These are our results of Spark Academy. So you can join. Admissions are open right now for classroom as well as online coaching. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.